After installing the Burp Suite self-signed certificate, we can now intercept the traffic from the mobile application and Burp Suite tool. Now open your Burp Suite and navigate to the proxy tab. Click on Options tab and then click on the Edit button under the proxy list and click the Edit button under the proxy listeners section. Select all interfaces and set the port to 8080. Click on OK to save the changes. Now open a command terminal and type ipconfig command and press enter. Then copy the IPv4 address assigned to you. Now open your Android emulator from Genymotion of your choice. Scroll down top navigation bar and press and hold the Wi-Fi icon. Now click on settings icon and then click on the edit icon from the top right. From the advanced options, select the proxy value to manual. Add the IP assigned to you. Here, in my case, 192.168.0.218 in the proxy listener field and value 8080 in the proxy port field. Click on save. Go to your apps menu and launch the Android application. Click on network intercepting button and then click on HTTP to send the HTTP request to Burp Suite. From Burp Suite, you can see that the HTTP traffic has been intercepted. Right click on the Intercept panel and click on Send to Repeater. Now navigate to Repeater tab and click on Send button to send the request and see the response back.